Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Using Python to interact with an Arduino can unlock powerful capabilities for your projects. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, including setting up your Arduino, writing a simple Arduino sketch, and using Python to communicate with it. Step 1. Setting up your environment. 1.1 Install Arduino IDE. First, download and install the Arduino IDE from the official Arduino website, https://www.arduino.cc/n/software. This will allow you to upload code to your Arduino board. 1.2 Install Python. Make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can download it from the Python website, https://www.python.org/downloads. Ensure you check the option to add Python to your path during installation. 1.3 Install required Python libraries. You will need the pyserial library to communicate with your Arduino. You can install it via pip. Step 2. Write an Arduino sketch. 2.1 Create a simple sketch. Open the Arduino IDE and create a new sketch. This sketch will read data from the serial port and turn an LED on and off based on the commands received. 2.2 Upload the sketch. Connect your Arduino to your computer and upload the sketch using the Arduino IDE. Step 3. Write Python code to control Arduino. Now, let's write a Python script to send commands to the Arduino. 3.1 Create a Python script. Create a new Python file, for example control_led.py. Step 4. Run the Python script. 4.1 Execute the script. Run your Python script in the terminal. Step 5. Interact with Arduino. 1 When prompted, enter 1 to turn the LED on. 2 Enter 0 to turn the LED off. 3 Enter Q to quit the program. Step 6. Troubleshooting. Port issues. Make sure to replace COM3 with the correct port where your Arduino is connected. You can find this in the Arduino IDE under Tools Dashboard. Permissions. On Linux or Mac, you might need to give yourself permission to access the serial port. You can do this by adding your user to the dialout group or running the script with sudo. Baud rate mismatch. Ensure that the baud rate in the Python script matches the baud rate in the Arduino sketch. Conclusion. You have now successfully set up your Arduino to be controlled by a Python script. This method can be extended to read sensor data, control motors, and more, making it a powerful tool for your projects. Happy coding!